Hi ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟೆಕ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Module 3 questions UI UX. What is the main purpose of annotated wireframes? To refine designs with UI elements and explanatory callouts. What is a visual comp represent in design? A pixel perfect mockup of the graphical design. Which of the following is included in a visual comp? Objects, colors, fonts, spacing and layout. What is a visual asset in UI design? A visual element with defined style characteristics. Visual designers ensure consistency with which of the following? Company branding and style guides. What are wireframes primarily used for in interaction design? Representing interaction designs schematically. Why are wireframes often deliberately unfinished looking? To focus on quick and inexpensive design exploration. What do wireframes mainly consist of? Lines, boxes, and simple shapes. What aspect of design can wireframes effectively depict? Task flows and user interaction. How are wireframes commonly used during discussions? As conversational props for feedback. What is a click-through prototype in wireframing? A wireframe with hyperlinks simulating interaction. When wireframes are used as specifications, what is added? Detailed annotations and interaction states. What is the purpose of using layers in wireframing? To organize and reuse design elements. Why are stencils and templates used in wireframing? To quickly create common UI elements. What is the benefit of sketchy wireframes? They signal that the design is still open to changes. What are UX goals? High-level objectives describing user experiences. UX goals are primarily expressed in terms of desired user experiences during product use. What is a UX measure? A usage attribute used to evaluate a UX goal. UX goals are derived from which of the following? User concerns and work activity analysis. Which of the following is an example of a UX goal? Improving ease of use. What is the purpose of setting UX targets? To measure the success of design against goals. Which of these is an example of a qualitative UX measurement? User satisfaction survey. What should be removed when adapting design scenarios in benchmark task? Instructions on how to perform the task. Why should benchmark tasks cover a range of frequency and criticality? To ensure broad and meaningful evaluation. What is meant by degrade mode testing? Testing system performance during partial failures. What are edge cases tasks? Tasks under extreme or unusual conditions. What is the purpose of including error recovery tasks? To evaluate how well users recovers from mistakes. Why should power users be included in UX evaluation? Their needs for efficiency and advanced usage must be evaluated. What does matching benchmark tasks to UX measures mean? Aligning tasks with what is being evaluated. UX goals can be defined for all users or specific user groups or tasks. What is an important UX goal for a ticket kiosk system? Fast and easy walk-up and user experience. What does high learnability mean in UX goals? Users can quickly learn how to use the system. Why is low error rate an important UX goal? To ensure users complete tasks accurately. Which UX goal focuses on user satisfaction and repeat usage? A high customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.